into rectangles, find their areas, and all the measures of the sides are given in meter here. As you can see here, it's given here, like this side is 1 meter, that is 3 meter, 2 meter, 2 meter, and so on. Okay. So right now we are seeing that this figure is neither looking like a rectangle or a square or anything else right now. So we are going to do some construction here, like we will split this figure into rectangles here. So what can we do here? Like we can draw dotted lines here like that, isn't it? We can draw dotted lines like this here. Okay. Then we can draw some dotted lines here also, no? Look like this and like this. Getting it? So here we are having how many figures? Let's call them as figure A. 1 second, this pen is not working properly. 1 second. Figure A, figure B, figure C, and figure D. Like that, we can call it. Only.
Yeah.
Now we can calculate their areas very easily. For example, if you have to calculate the area of figure number D, let's say, right? So one of the side is given as 3. Okay, this is also 3. All right, this is 3, this is 3. So this much is also going to be 3 now.
Yeah.
Okay, now we are talking about this much. Okay, so that is also 3. So the area of figure D, 1 second, please give me a while, like this pen is actually not working properly. One second. Yeah, it's working. Sorry for the interference. See, so we are going to split this into different rectangles. Okay, so what can we do? Like we can split it like that. Okay, then next like this and like this, right? Let's name this as figure A, figure B, C, and D. Okay, talking about the area of figure A, so that is going to be 3 into 3 now, right?
Yeah.
Also keep in mind that this 4 meter is the length of this entire side. Okay, no? So this much is going to be only 3 meter. Okay, Yusuf. So area is going to be 3 into 3, and that is 9 square meter. Okay. Now can you tell me what about the area of figure B?
Figure B.
This one over here.
The ups and the it's saying 2 at the up.
And this one is going to be 1 meter, right?
Yeah.
Reason being because this much is 3 and this much is 1. So that will total make 4 meter now. So hence 2 into 1. Is there some background noise from my side? I hope no. Okay, so that is a square 2 square meter. Okay. Now you tell me what about area of figure C?
2 at the left, 3 at the top.
You need only 2 sides, no? 3 is given here, 3 meter is given here. Okay. We need to know the length of this side, right? This side. Okay. So this side is same as this side, right, Yusuf?
Yeah.
This much is given as 2 meter. And what about this much? Will it not
1.
be 1? So 2 and that is 1. Okay,
3.
so this side is 3 exactly. This side is 3 and this side is also 3. Right now? So 3 into 3, that is 9 square meter. Okay. Which one is left now?
1 and 4.
You should be saying figure D is left now. Okay. Talking about its dimension, like how much is it going to be? So let us figure out that also. See, this much is given as 1 meter, right? Okay. So this much will also be same. Okay. we need to figure out about the length of this much of portion here. Will it not be same as this much?
Uh, and
No. Think about it again. Like this much and this much, aren't they same? Their length will be same now. That is 2 plus 1, 3. So this is also going to be 3 now. Hmm? Getting it?
yes.
You're actually getting it. Don't get confused. If you're finding it confusing, let me know. I will explain that again.
No, I'm not getting.
Good. So that
Yes.
is total 4 meter, na 3 plus 1, 4 meter. Right. Okay. Now we need to understand like what is the length of this much here. Right now? That is left to
Yeah.
be found out. Okay, let us see what do we have here. See. Here we are 2, 1. Okay. This much is equal to 4. This entire length is equal to 4. Okay. Do you observe like this line is exactly cutting this line from the middle? Getting Yusuf? This line is
Yeah.
actually cutting it from the middle into two halves, no? So that will be 2 and that will also be 2, no? Isn't it? So it is 2 meter by 4 meter. Understood it or not?
Yeah, I understand.
Okay. So in this manner, we have calculated the area of these different parts. Now, question has asked us to find the area of all the of this total figure. So we are going to add 9 plus 2 plus 9 plus 8. Tell me, that is how
That
much?
is 28.
Exactly 28 square meter. I hope you have understood this. Okay. So in a similar manner, you are going to solve question number B. I'll be giving you some time. Try to solve it. Okay. Actually, like today, what happened, Yusuf? Like I was just cleaning my room. Okay, so
Yeah.
to clean my room, like I was dusting my computer, and like current was leaking out of it. Okay, na. So basically, I have called the mechanic, like the electrician. He will come. He will repair it. That's why, like, I'm not unable to connect my camera today. Okay, are you solving question number B?
Yeah.
Okay, okay.
Mm.
By the way, you know what, Yusuf? This question, na, it could have been solved in a different manner also. All right, no. Like this is not the only method to solve it. Why so?
What is
Because yeah,
the another method?
another method would be like we will make a slightly different construction here. Like see, one line will go over here like that.
Uh,
Okay, Yusuf. Okay, let me use a different color. So one line will go like this. All right. Second line will go
yeah.
like that. Let's say. Okay. Third line goes like this. Right? So you see, I have done a different construction here. Getting it?
Yeah.
Hmm. So in this manner also it could have been solved. Okay. So what? Where do we? Yeah, I'm saying that from where are we going to split this? Tell me. Should we split it
Uh,
from here and here,
we will
like this? You are saying?
I'm saying a year like that.
Like that. Okay. Like that we can split it, or like that also, the one which I was telling you. Okay, both of them is correct. Okay.
And
Now, mm-hmm.
another will be 2 and 1, and they'll be cut from the other where the 3 is. The above line will be cut from.
Hmm. Okay. So this much is 3 and this much is 1 already given here. Okay. This much is 2. So this much is going to be 1 now, right? So thereby this is also like 3. Or basically by looking at it, you can directly see that this side and this side is going to be same. So that is 3 and by 1. Okay. So for these two we can easily find it out. Okay. Now we need to understand about this one. So from here you will cut 1, and from here you will cut 1. So this will be left as 3 now. Understood it now? And this much is 1. The width is 1. So to calculate the area of this one, that is going to be 3 into 1. This is also going to be 3 into 1. And that is also 3 into 1. Got it now? So what's the answer?
And the answer is 3 into 1 is equal to 3,
Hmm.
9.
Or simply we can add all of it, 3 square meter plus 3 square meter plus 3 square meter. And hence that is going to be 9 square meter, right? Okay. So like that, we got the answer for this. Okay. We will get back to that question in a while. In just 1 second. See, have you ever thought like why do we generally measure the area in like in squares using the square we measure it now? Suppose for example this is a piece of paper, we can measure it using squares. Like we can divide this, let's say, into 10 or 20 or 100 squares, and we will count like how many squares are there in it. Getting it?
Yeah,
For example, each square has a side of 1 centimeter by 1 centimeter, right now. So thereby area of this individual square is going to be 1 square centimeter, right?
yeah,
Okay. Then what do? We count, like one of the method is to simply count how many squares are there. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 into 5, there are total of
25.
25 square, and hence the area will be 25 square centimeter, right? That is just one of the method. But the question is that why don't we use circles here? Suppose if you were to use circles instead of using the squares to
It
find the
won't,
area.
it will not give accurate answer.
Exactly, because there are some empty spaces left over here, no? Getting it?
Yeah,
Uh, okay, just 1 second. Like actually, the electrician just has came. So just give me 2 minutes. I need to inform him the issue. Then I'll be continuing the class. Okay, Yusuf. Okay, please give me 2 minutes. Yeah, I'm back. Okay. So as we can clearly see here, that circles cannot be packed tightly without gaps here, right now. No matter how
yeah.
tightly you try to pack it, there will still be some gaps in it. Okay. So we can use different shapes, and the most appropriate, the most suitable is using squares. That is the thing. Okay. Hmm. Further, look at this one over here. Like there's a rectangular paper sheet of dimension 6 by 4 centimeter given over here. Okay. Then it has been cut as shown in the figure. It has been cut into two equal pieces. And these two pieces are now joined differently. See, a rectangular piece of paper was taken, it was cut from the middle, and now it has been joined differently. While you are going to cut it, so the length is going to be same, but the width is going to split. Each splits into two
Different.
centimeter, right? Okay. Width is going to be same actually. Like length is yeah, width from the previous one, it's going to be different. Okay. This arrangement has a total perimeter of 28 centimeter, right?
Yeah.
Getting it, if we were to simply add all the sides or use the formula, that is 2 plus 12. 1 second.
Okay.
2 into length plus breadth. So length here is given as 12. Breadth is 2, right? So 24 into 2. 1 second. The arrangement A has a perimeter of 28 centimeter. It was saying actually arrangement A. This one over here. 12 plus 12, 24, 24 plus 2, 26, and 2, that is 28. Yeah. So that is 2 into 14. So thereby that is 28 centimeter is the perimeter. Okay. Further, some questions are given here. Like we need to find out the length of the boundary, that is the perimeter of each of the other arrangements. Like these same two pieces of paper have been joined in different manners, and now we are required to find their perimeter. Okay, Yusuf.
Yeah.
Okay, so this is 2 centimeter. Okay, what will be the length of this side? That is
Uh, this is going to be
6
6.
centimeter, no? Right? Okay. Now this much is going to be 6 centimeter, and that
And
much
another
is 1 second. So that much is 2. Okay. This much is also going to be 6. That is 2. And this much, what about this one? The one that is left
5.
in. No, not 5. If this is 2 and the entire length is 6, so 6 minus 2, that is going to be 4 now. See, this side is measuring 6 centimeter. This total side should also measure 6 centimeter, right? Okay, no, but
Yeah.
the two papers have been arranged in such a manner like we are not going to include the length of this side. Okay, now because the edges of these two papers are touching each other. So this is basically equal to 2 now, right? So from 6 centimeter, we are going to subtract 2, hence we get 4. Oh, okay. Now you know what you need to do to find the perimeter. So just add all the sides now. How much is it equal to?
2 into 4, 8. 8.
Hmm?
You have to add or multiply.
What are we doing here? We are finding the perimeter now. See, in the previous case, like in this one, I had used the formula to find perimeter of rectangle. Why? Because this figure is looking like a rectangle, but this one will not be solved using a formula. So simply add all the sides now.
Yes.
Okay.
28.
That is 28. Very good. Okay, now you tell me about question number C. By the way, is only you are there in the class today, no?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, okay. Okay, see. This side is 2 centimeter, right? That is equal to 6 centimeter. Okay. And that is also equal to 2 centimeter. This is going to be how much? 2 centimeter, right?
Yeah.
That much is 6 centimeter. And that much is again 6 centimeter. This one was very easy. So just add it and tell me the answer.
2 minus 6 like 1 plus 1 plus plus 6 and 20. 28 again.
Again 28. Very good. Okay. Now look at question number D. This one here. Okay. How much is this side? It is
This is 2.
2.
2.
2, 2, and 2. Okay. Now this much is 6 now, and that is also 6. Okay. What is left here? This side and this side. Okay, now So clearly it is saying here like this much is 3 centimeter. So this much will also be equal to
28,
you're not getting what I'm saying. I am saying
6.
here this entire side is equal to 6 centimeter now. And if this much is 3 centimeter, so this much will be basically equal to 3 centimeter now.
Yeah.
See, try to understand it like this. This entire side is measuring, it has a measure
As
of
6.
6 centimeter. Okay,
And it's dividing it half.
exactly. And this much, the one in the blue, that is equal to 3 now. So from 6
Yeah.
centimeter, we are subtracting 3 centimeter, and thereby that is resulting into 3. Okay, similarly, this one will also be equal to 3 now.
Not, yeah, 3. And
Okay, good. So now what you need to do, just add all the sides.
okay,
Okay.
2. Yeah. 26.
That is 26. Very good. Okay. So 28, 28, and then 26. Now, another question here says that arrange the two pieces to form a figure with a perimeter of 22 centimeter. Okay, now the same two pieces have to be arranged in such a manner, okay, that we get perimeter equal to 22 centimeter. Understanding it?
Yeah.
Okay, try to solve it.
I can't see the board.
Mhm. Better now?
Yeah, better. Arrange the two pieces to form a figure with a perimeter. 5, 5,
Mm-hmm.
uh, 2.
Like, how am I going to look like? Have you done the construction?
Yeah.
Okay. Can you show it to me? Okay, bring it close to the camera so I can look at it, like how you have constructed it. Yeah, Yusuf.
Yeah, I got
1 second.
with red color.
Like that.
Yeah, yeah, it's not
Mm.
made properly.
Show it again. Show it again. No, Yusuf. What are you doing? No, no. Oh, that does not look like what's given in the question. 1 second. Look here. See, the question is saying that you have to arrange the same two pieces of paper to form a figure with a perimeter of 22 centimeter. In the question number B, the perimeter was like 28. In this, it was 28. And here, it was 26. Okay, now all the arrangements are different. Now you have to arrange it in such a manner that the perimeter becomes 22 centimeter. Okay, so say that this is 6 centimeter as given, that is 2 centimeter. Okay, and that is also 2 centimeter. All right. What we will do now, we will place the another paper in such a manner that this much of length is equal to 1 centimeter. Getting it?
Yeah.
And that much is equal to 1 centimeter. So we are basically sliding it 1 centimeter forward. Okay, now getting it. And hence this is 6 centimeter, that is 2, and that is also I'm writing it here 2 centimeter. Now let's see whether we are getting 22 centimeter or not. So let's add it 2. From here we're adding 2 plus 6 plus 2, then plus 1 plus 2 plus 1 plus 2 plus 6 to 8 plus 2 10 11 13 14 14 plus 2 16 16 plus 6 how much? 22.
Two.
Getting it now? Okay. Now, look, basically what I have done here now, it's kind of a similar setting like in question number D. It's quite similar actually. But here basically what we are seeing here, like in this one, this entire length is going to be 4 centimeter now, right?
Yeah.
Now in this case it was 3 centimeter. This was 3
Yes.
centimeter, this was 3 centimeter, this was 3 centimeter. So this is 26 centimeter in total. Okay. In order to make an arrangement where the perimeter is going to be 22 centimeter, we need to take out 4 centimeter from it now. Understanding it?
Yeah.
4 centimeter from it.
Yeah.
Okay. So basically, we took out 2 centimeter from this side. Try to understand. From this side, we took out 2 centimeter, and from this side, we took out 2 centimeter. So thereby, this is 1 centimeter over here, and 1 centimeter over here. Hope you're understanding what I'm trying to say.
Yeah.
You're actually getting it now? Mm-hmm.
Yes.
Okay.
But I can't see the screen up. Probably
It isn't
it's
visible
not.
once.
No, it's visible, but it's kind of not. I think my tab must be dirty.
Your tab.
Must be dirty. That's why I can't see clearly.
Oh, okay. Just clean it then. Okay. Okay. So till page number from the NCERT, I believe till page number 136, we have done some important questions. Okay, no?
Yeah. Okay.
By the way, there was this question from page 135 also. 1 second. Yeah, this question from page number 135 was there.
Uh,
Okay,
Find
see.
the area of the following figures.
So we have to find the area of the following figures here. Okay, see. Hmm. Now, this figure has lines over here like that. Okay. Suppose, for example, to do this question, before we do this question, let us suppose there are two students here. All right, now, and they both are arguing over something. What are they arguing over? Let me first draw this, then I will explain. The diagram is properly visible to you.
Yeah.
Okay. Suppose there are two students here. Okay. One student says that the perimeter of this triangle is 9 units. Okay, no? Like 9 centimeter, 9 meter, or such that. There's another student who says that no, it will be more than 9 units. That says more than nine
Nine.
units. Okay. So let us understand who is correct here. Okay, now who is correct here? So that is 1 unit. Okay. Again 1 unit, 1 unit, 1 unit, 1 unit, and like that. Okay, no? So how many units are there total? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Who is correct out of the two students? Yeah, tell me.
Uh, it's the
The one who is saying 9
nine.
units or the one who is saying more than 9 units?
The one who is saying a 9 unit.
Okay. But like this is a triangle, okay? And you know that in a triangle basically, like the diagonal lines are longer than the straight lines, no? Like basically not
Yeah.
necessarily every time, but this is a triangle and that is a diagonal line, okay? Particularly it's a triangle whose one angle is equal to 90 degree, okay? Now getting it.
Okay.
So this line over here, okay, this line over here is going to be greater than the other two lines.
Yeah.
Understanding it? Okay. So the perimeter here is actually more than 9 units. Getting it? So we can have such kind of questions also. Okay. Here will be required, where we are required to find the area of the following figures here. Okay. Suppose if such questions are given now, I will solve the first question. The other ones you will try to solve yourself. Whenever such kind of questions are given, so we will count the total full squares first of all in the given figure. So here we
Yeah.
see that is total of 1,
Two.
2, and 3 full squares are there, right?
Yeah.
3 full squares are there, okay. So full squares are total 3, okay. Then you count the
Yeah.
total number of half squares, okay. How many half squares are there? 1 and
Two
3.
half.
So there are two
And
half
two halves
squares.
will make one. Two half
Exactly.
one.
Hmm. So
So three plus one is four.
exactly, 2 half squares is equal to basically 1 square, right now. So hence 3 plus
Yeah.
1, that is 4 square unit is the total area of this figure. Understood that, no? Okay. So in the similar manner, try to find out the area of other figures also. We can do it
The
together.
another
Uh-huh. How many full squares are going to be there in it? 1,
one, two,
hmm,
three,
3,
four,
5,
five,
and
six.
6. So there are 6 full squares in it. Okay. And then how many half squares? 1,
One,
2,
two,
hmm.
three, four, five, six.
So 6 half squares means what? 3 full squares, no?
Yeah.
6 half square is basically 3 full square,
Yeah.
right now. So that
Three,
will be 6 plus 3, and that
eight,
is
nine.
9 square units. Hope you're understanding it. Okay, tell me about the third figure. Try to solve it yourself and tell me the answer.
One. 7 full square
7, how many squares you're saying? 7 full squares.
uh,
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Okay, correct. 7 full squares.
and one, two,
Hmm.
three, four, five, six
Hmm.
half square.
Right. Okay. So the answer is how much?
Uh, 11.
11 you are saying. Okay, 1 second. So 1, 2, 3. Okay. I'm leaving this space between them so that we can count it properly. So 1, 2, 3 over here, 4 and 5, 6 and 7. Okay. So here you're having 7 full squares. And how many half squares did you count?
One,
1,
two,
2,
three,
3, 4,
four,
5
5,
and
6.
6 now. Huh? So 6 half square means 3 full squares now.
Yeah.
6 half square is same as 3 full square now. So you should be getting your answer as what?
7 plus 3, 10.
That is 10 no. So it is 10 square unit actually. Okay. Try finding out the area of the fourth figure now.
N.
Fourth figure 10.
No, N, I'm saying.
Yeah, n. Yeah, n. I think there was some question from the perimeter now. We have to do some question from perimeter of the similar nature.
Yeah, but we did not started the that lesson.
No, we have actually we have learned about both perimeter and area. Okay. I think that page is in the later part of the slide. Okay. Do this one as of now.
7, 7 full square
Hmm. 7
and
full squares only. Are you sure?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8.
8, no? Hmm. Let's
And
do it.
uh,
Mhm.
and
1,
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
8 full squares. Okay. Then now what we can do is that we can split it like that. Right now, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, isn't it? Okay, now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay.
Yeah.
So 8 full
And
square. Mm-hmm.
6 is equal to 3 full squares.
Hmm.
So 11.
8 plus 3, that is 11 square units. No? Okay. That is the thing. See, moments ago, as I was explaining to you about this perimeter thing. Now, 1 second, where did that go? How, like I had drawn that. So, yeah, this is where, no, that is again about the area. Give me a second. Suppose similar question has been given to you. Okay, now, and now you're being asked to find the perimeter of the following figure. Okay, Yusuf, you've been asked to find the perimeter instead
Yeah.
of the area. So now let
Okay.
us understand like how do we solve such type of questions. Okay, see, so we are going to count the total diagonal units here. See,
Yeah.
diagonals basically are slanted lines like that, lines that are slanted like this. These lines are called as diagonal
Die.
lines. Diagonal lines. Okay, now, and then we, like for example, this is going to be called as diagonal unit.
Diagonal unit.
Okay, or for example, this side, that will be called as straight unit. That is straight unit.
Unit.
So let's call this as figure number A. So in figure number A, how many straight units are there? So there are total of, let's start counting from here. 1, 2, 3,
2,
4,
3,
5,
4, 5, 6.
7, and 8 now. These two will also be counted now.
Yeah.
So 8 straight units. 8 straight units. Okay. Plus how many diagonal units are there? 1 and 2 right now. So that is 2 diagonal units. So that is the required perimeter of figure number A. Understood that?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. So in the similar manner, find the perimeter of the second figure also.
Mm, the second,
Yeah.
the second one was 9 SQ and one
These figures which we're discussing here, they have lines of two different unit lengths. Okay, now.
yeah, the total are 12 and
Also, I have one basic question to you. Before you continue with this, tell me, will this line be more in length or will this line? Which one? The one in this red color or like the pink color or this one? This is a straight line. This is a diagonal line. So
yeah,
diagonal line is always bigger in size. It's larger in size than the straight line. Getting it now?
yeah,
Okay, now. Mhm. So you cannot just add them together. In this manner only you will write down the perimeter. Getting it? Okay, continue and tell me about figure number. Let's call this as figure B. So in figure number B,
figure
how
number
many how many straight lines do you see?
one, two,
Only two, no? This one and
yeah,
this one. So there are two straight
four,
lines.
five,
Hmm,
four,
two straight lines. Plus how many diagonal units are there? Straight units we are
that
going to say.
straight,
Count it with me. One, two, three,
two,
four,
three,
five,
four,
and six,
five,
seven, and
six,
eight.
eight.
Oh, hold on. There's going to be actually four straight units. No, these two and these two also. No, we missed. We actually missed these two. That should also be included. Okay, no.
Mm,
So there are total four straight units in this, and there are total of six diagonal units. Keep in mind that diagonal unit is the one that joins the lines like that, that joins the dots like that. This is a diagonal line. That is a diagonal line, right? While the one in the red color, that is a straight unit. That's a straight line simply or a straight unit here. This one is also a straight unit, a straight unit. Hope you understood that.
yeah, I understand.
Okay, now tell me about third figure quickly.
And the third one, the straight lines.
How many straight units are there in it?
One, two, three, four, five,
Hmm?
six,
Yes.
seven, 8, 9,
Okay. Hmm.
10,
Hmm.
11, 12.
12 straight units are there, correct? And how many diagonal units are there in it?
1,
Hmm.
2,
Hmm.
3, 4,
Five,
5, 6.
five and six, right? One, two, three, four. This five and this six. Okay, six diagonal units. Okay, last one.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15,
Hmm.
16, 17, 18.
That's it. There are only 18 straight units in it, right? 18 straight units. Okay, and how
And
many diagonal units here?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
and 6. So diagonal units are there in it. Okay, so these are kind of fun questions to do right now. Quite simple. Okay, hope you have understood that. Now try to figure out the area of this figure here.
Oh, the blue or the white one?
No, no, the blue one actually.
Okay. 4 equal squares
Equal or full squares, you should be saying, no?
and 8 half half one. So 8. So the area is 8.
Hmm. Area is how
Because
much?
half of 8 is 4 and 4 plus 4 is 8.
That is 8 square unit. Okay, very good. And now suppose if I were to make some changes in it now. Okay. Suppose
Like
this much of area has been included in it. The one which I am going to highlight here. See. Now you tell me what's the new area?
2 2 full square will be 13.
No, how can it be 13? See, previously
Uh,
this much is already equal to 8, right? This much is already
no,
equal to 8 square units now.
11. Is it 11?
Exactly. 8 plus 1 and these two will be equal to 1 square now. These two half squares. So that is 11. Okay. Okay, so that will be